Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we disable guys this color black and white setting in our oppo phone device. So why we call it guys eye comfort mode setting guys. So your skin color is like that and friends you want to disable this setting. So friend, how can you disable it today friends? I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, you will have to turn on guys your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, click on guys your phone display and brightness setting guys. We will tap here guys. Friends, you can see eye comfort mode setting as tap here. Friends, you can see that this always on option. So friends, you will have to tap here to disable guys your eye comfort mode. After disable guys, 3 second after 3 second guys, skin color will normal. You can use your phone without this eye comfort mode setting guys. So I friends have understood how to disable eye comfort mode in our oppo phone device. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I friends have understood how to disable eye comfort mode in any oppo phone device. So bye friends.